Here's my ticket. You are free to go.
Hello, security. How are you doing today?
How am I doing? How are you doing?
Well, I'm so happy that I'm finally flying to Hawaii. Here's my ticket.
You don't look like you're flying to Hawaii.
What do you mean? I dressed completely for the weather.
Something smells fishy. Let's see about that. Let's see how this fish affects your outfit.
Be quiet in there.
Oh, I think I can hear something there. What's there? I see a kitty! No pets allowed! I am taking this illegal traveler from you! No! Let's see what's trending on pets nowadays. Hello, here's my ticket. So good to travel.
Oh no, pets are not allowed on planes. I'm about to get caught. Think, quick.
I know. Let's put it here. I can't. Stop moving. What's happening? Sometimes she gets the shakes. Something is not right. Let's check it with the scanner. The scanner is not picking anything up.
All right, you're free to go. Why would someone shake like that?
I need to get it off of me. There you go. I was shaking because of you, little fellow. Ugh, never do that to me again. Well, I'm sorry. We had to sneak past the guards somehow.
Yeah, I'll take that. Now you can go. Hello, sir. Here is my passport. Sir, can you take off your mask for a sec, please? Oh, no. I'm a little bit sick. I have to make sure that it's really you. It's me, see? Just take off the mask, now!
We're gonna be late for our flight. Take off that mask. Yeah, he'll check and that's it.
Uh-oh. That's why he didn't want to take it off. He was hiding candy there.
Look at your face.
No food is allowed. Now get out.
Did you see his face?
Busted. Whoa! What's up, man? Going on vacation, bye. Not so fast, man. Have you seen the sign or what?
Good morning, boys. How are you?
Good morning to you. Nice to see you. While these two are busy, this boy has other plans.
Oh, good morning. You look great today. The plane crew is waiting for me.
Wait, what's all that? Do you really think you will fool me with this? Skirt and unshaved legs? Another time to think smarter. See ya, man.
He looks so scared. Oh, because he was hiding Fanta. Excuse me, we are in a hurry. We are doing the last touches for the Paris fashion show. What about me? I got here first. Your haircut looks cute. Do you have any food? No. Okay, you can go inside then. Let's go, hurry! What a weird haircut. Hey! Can I go inside now? Yeah, sure. Sit down. Is everything clear? Yes. Huh? Wow! Charlotte was actually hiding Skittles inside the hairbrush. And that's not all. A mirror? Popcorn kernels inside the mirror? But how are they planning to heat them up? No way! Charlotte used a hair straightener to toast the popcorn. Wow! Are those chips? Can't you see the sign saying no food allowed? Give me that. Huh? Let me through! Emergency! What's with all the rush? What's inside your briefcase? There has been a report of biological contamination. Look at her briefcase! There's something leaking from it! Huh? There's some dark liquid leaking out of her briefcase. Is this liquid dangerous? It's fine. I have to scan you. Security is using the X-ray machine to find out what is inside Sophia's briefcase. What? There's soda inside? You tried to trick me. Oops. Looks like security was also hiding something sweet. Hey! That's not fair! If you can have candy, we can have it too! While Sophia is arguing with the security, others snuck inside. Good job, Sophie!
What do you mean there are too many pets on planes? Look, Emma, there are no pets allowed on planes.
Oh no! My cuties! They can't get in trouble, not on this trip!
We need to think of something. Hello, do you have any pets with you?
No pets over here.
So what's that you're hiding behind your back? Oh no, Emma is in trouble. Wait, look! Yes! I'll use this trick to save the day. Give me that, Emma. Pretend that you're feeling sick.
Okay. Oh no! My head, it hurts! Call the doctor!
Doctor is here. I'll use this syringe to fix nearly anything.
Please, doctor, not the syringe! I'm going to pass!
Ah, this is so scary! Emma, look, it's me. The syringe is not real, it's full of bugs.
Oh, I get it now. Okay.
I'm taking this girl in, she needs more attention. Okay. Oh, I'm glad no one died today.
Oh, you're so funny! Your jokes are the best!
Hey, stop! Wait a second. Can I see your ticket?
Sure.
Do you have any pets with you?
No. Please, show me.
Me your bag.
Here you go.
Let me scan it just for a second. Aha! It picked something up. Wait a minute, there's nothing inside.
I told you I don't have any pets with me.
But look, there's something on your hand.
My hand? Wait, no, what about her? Look at her! Just look here, at her backpack.
Let me see. What? You're carrying a rabbit in here?
I am a sneaky master over here. Good sneaky, good girl. I love you.
Wait a minute. It's a snake! A lot of people today. Whoa! Don't you know that no food is allowed? This blue-haired girl has a lot of marshmallows in her hands. A travel pillow? What is she up to? Strange. Whoa! Hello, sir. Oh, you know I'm traveling all over the world. Okay, but can I see your passport, please? All over the world? Everything's good. Have a good day. Where is my travel pillow? Where did I put it? This was actually her super smart way to sneak those marshmallows through security. Want some? It's so good that we can't blame her for stealing the boy's pillow. Cheese! Hey, say cheese! Cheese! What are you doing? Cheese! Good! Cheese! Smile! It is allowed to take photos here. Wait, a camera and M&Ms? Excuse me, do you have a ticket? Ticket? Cheese! Just go. Please, go. Cheese! Wow, nice. Cheese. Yes, cool. Passport, please. Let me check. Oh, it's really you. Good. No food, right? Oh, no, of course not. Good. But where did he put those M&Ms? Wow, that was an unexpected place. Good one. Say cheese. No food. Grr! Why are they so shocked? OMG, no way! It's Lady Nana! She is a very famous pop singer! Can I take a picture with you? Oh, isn't that also a famous actor-singer? Hey there. What a day to meet two superstars! Come with me. Security didn't even check her favorite singer and simply let them through! Is that a piece of pizza that fell off her dress? Here, take some. It is pizza! So good. Want to have a drink with it? Wow, the guitar case is filled with sodas! They both pretended to be famous and sneaked some food and drinks in! No drinks and food allowed. Now you can come inside. Next! Wow, the big poster detached from the wall. Help, help! Calm down, girls, I'm coming. There's nothing that my glue stick can't fix. Security glued the poster to the wall. It's all good now. Chloe caught the glue that security threw away. Huh? What if I… Ha-ha! I know what to do! Hey, you! What are you doing there? I'm talking to you. Are you hiding something? Nope, nothing. I only have a glue stick for an emergency. Oh, okay. Chloe seems very tense right now. Is she hiding something? And where did all her candy go? Yay! She took out her glue stick and… Huh? She emptied the glue and hid her candy inside! Wow, that's so clever!
So good!
The security seems very serious here. Oh, that's why! They're looking for illegal pets! Oh man, I'm carrying a fish over here. What is this? Is it some kind of food for pets? Oh, it's a bra. Sorry about that. What's that? A bra? Oh, I know! I can use it for sneaking my fish! Hey, look who's coming! What? Hey boys, how are you doing? You look so pretty and so exotic! I know, but please look where you are looking. Look at my face! Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to stare like that. Anyway, do you have any pets with you? No, what I have is my good looks, you know. Bye, boys! Did you see her? She's like 1 in a million! Oh, wow! Look at her figure! Yeah, whatever. I bet they're fake. Just give me 1 moment. Here you go, Heather. Oh, thank you! You hid these little fishies in your figure? That's brilliant! What the? They were fake?